Ni maafitha borithi mari mugururi-ini wao mwena wa Malindi wa gutigirira Kenya ni matia watho wa kuinuka mbere ya thaa imwe ikinyite. Kuringana na murugamiriri wa mihango ya thirikari ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini Hussein Dado augite Akenya ni magirirwo kuhuthiria maafitha borithi wira na gutigirira ni meka uria kwagiriire agicokiria ngatho ikaria Malindi ni gutiya watho.
What I have seen in Malindi, if everybody cooperated like this, because wananchi first of all have complied, they have no issue, and then the police have done a tremendous job guiding a few that got delayed on the way. This is how it should be. Through the leadership of the area OCPD, they have done a very good job in trying to guide wananchi.
Dado nikite ritana kuria ikaria Kilifi na matura maria marigiceirie kuhimbiria Mukaana uyu akiuga ritihera kuria Kenya ede ni njira ya kumathaitira kumana na kunyitwo ni murimu wa coronavirus oriri namba ya andu aria mari na murimu uyu ikinyite 42.
We are doing this for their own good, and the best medicine for coronavirus is to stay at home. If you have, first of all, those who have nothing to do should just remain at home. There's no enjoyment. For those who must work, you should work and have a protection like sanitizers. Then from there, you just go to your house. I'm sure quite a lot of families are used to children not seeing their fathers. But maybe both parents are working, they leave very early, children leave for school. At night when they come back, the children are asleep. So for once, families have come together.
Oho ni oreti ya Kenya guthii nambere na kuhoera bururi kuona mabururi maingi maria magomeirwo ni murimu uyu mahingite mihango yothe mabururi-ini mao akiuga mbere ya bururi witu kinyirirwo ni gutua matua ta macio o mundu anyite itemi ria gwithaitira. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Retora Kwanu wa Njiro wa Foro.